What's going on in AI is amazing. Every time I am with the developers or the miners or some part of the Bitcoin ecosystem, my confidence in what is about to happen here increases. We think we understand the gig economy. Think micro gig economy and think global labor force and piecemealing out these tasks. How does this happen? How do we pay all of the various entities involved? Lightning Network, Bitcoin payments ecosystem.
Earlier this month, Lightning Labs, the developer of the Bitcoin Lightning Network scaling solution, announced the release of a set of tools enabling developers to create artificial intelligence chatbots capable of sending and receiving Bitcoin. Chatbots have gained significant attention since the successful and viral launch of OpenAI's ChatGPT in 2022. ChatGPT and similar chatbots utilize AI large language models to understand natural language and generate human-like responses, contributing to their immense popularity. As with all technological innovations, the artificial intelligence landscape is poised for further expansion and improvement. Agentic AI, a new paradigm in the field, promises to transform autonomous systems from passive models into entities that can perceive, analyze, actively engage, and execute tasks without human intervention. Agentic AI aims to make artificial intelligence truly autonomous, capable of navigating complex environments and undertaking tasks independently. With Lightning Labs' new tools, chatbot developers will be able to integrate Bitcoin payments directly into their AI applications, potentially establishing the leading cryptocurrency as the primary currency of the ongoing AI revolution. At the Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville, Arkansas Invest founder, CEO, and CIO Cathie would discuss the immense capabilities of these new AI models and the convergence between artificial intelligence and blockchain technology. Cathie's firm has been exploring the convergence of 5 disruptive innovation platforms for several years. Her strong belief in the potential of these platforms led her to leave her job at AllianceBernstein and start ARK Invest. During her fireside chat with Alyse Killeen at the conference, Cathie explained that the disruptive force of these platforms, blockchain, AI, robotics, energy storage, and gene sequencing, will be more explosive and rapid than she had previously imagined. At the center of this revolution lies Bitcoin and the tools from Lightning Labs to facilitate payments. Cathie predicts that this convergence will drive significantly higher cryptocurrency prices, with Bitcoin potentially reaching $1 million in less than 6 years. As the AI and blockchain technologies continue to evolve and integrate, the potential for groundbreaking advancements and substantial financial gains grows, positioning Bitcoin at the heart of this transformative period. Before we continue with the rest of the video, do check out daily 5-minute crypto newsletter with all the latest crypto and Bitcoin news. It's a fantastic analysis of on-chain crypto data and breakdowns, and the best part is it's absolutely free. They'll cover expert predictions, breakdowns of on-chain crypto data, and any breaking news you need to know, all in a nutshell. Click the first link in the description and enter your email to join over 50,000 others in becoming a better crypto investor right now.
And I'm just going to start off by talking about the convergence between and among technologies that are evolving today and creating massive growth opportunities. I'm just going to illustrate with one stock. We're known for one stock that is a massive convergence opportunity. Many people analyze Tesla as an auto company, and yet we believe at ARK that it is actually the convergence among robotics, so autonomous taxi networks, robots, are going to be a very big part of the equation. Energy storage, they will be electric, and artificial intelligence, creating explosive growth opportunities. So the reason for that is each one of these technologies is following an S-curve, and when you have them converging, they're going to start feeding one another and creating incredible growth opportunities. And I think what we're here to do today is to talk about convergence involving Bitcoin. And I would say one reason that we've seen the price appreciation recently is the recognition more and more. There's a lot of education taking place, especially 11 ETFs issued at the same time. You've got 11 asset managers out there educating as many people as possible. And what are we saying to them to make this understandable? We're saying that Bitcoin is three very big ideas in one. It's a technology, right? But if you think about it, it's leveraging off the internet. It's the layer of the internet that developers didn't put in place in the early 90s because they never dreamed that financial services or commerce would take place on the internet. So it's simply the next generation of the internet. It is a monetary system, the first global, decentralized, private, no government oversight, no throat to choke, digital, rules-based, that's extremely important, monetary system in history. So there's tech, there's economics, and then the third thing, and this we brought to light with the ETF issuance, is it is a new asset class. And every asset manager, retail or institutional, has to consider putting a new asset class in their clients' portfolios. Why? Because of the low correlation of returns. What that means, you slot some Bitcoin in, and your return per unit of risk goes up. And every institution knows that, and so they have a responsibility to understand what Bitcoin is and what kind of investment opportunity it will represent for their clients. So I think that ETF issuance has really helped cement this story and is beginning to generate deeper understanding more broadly in the investment world.
Cathie Wood is highly optimistic about disruptive innovation platforms, predicting they could scale by 40% annually during this business cycle. ARK's research estimates that the market value of these platforms will grow from $13 trillion in 2024 to over $200 trillion by 2030, offering immense opportunities, especially for early investors. Cathie is particularly bullish on the convergence of artificial intelligence and blockchain, which she believes will revolutionize how humans produce, live, work, invest, and prepare for future generations. During her chat with Alyse Killeen, Cathie highlighted how some AI large language models are already being used to create thriving economies and simplify life in parts of Africa. Central to this transformation are Bitcoin and Lightning Network payment tools that support the new ecosystem. In their announcement, the Lightning Labs team noted that intelligent AI agents would need to pay for their own resources and application programming interface calls. This is where the Bitcoin Lightning Network comes in, potentially making payments cheaper, faster, easier, and machine payable. Cathie Wood's vision underscores the transformative potential of integrating AI and blockchain technologies, setting the stage for a future where these innovations drive significant economic and social advancements. Here are more clips from the fireside chat.
What's going on in AI is amazing. We have been very aggressive in our expectations, and yet we're seeing, and Mark Zuckerberg this week talked about open source models and how this might accelerate many of the trends that AI has already triggered. And so I think what we're going to see is a couple of things. One, and we've learned this from the Lightning Network and some of the developers working on it, in Africa. I don't know if you know roast beef, but he's one of them. We did a brainstorm. We do a Bitcoin brainstorm every month in conjunction with Bitcoin Park. And he was on one of the first of them. So look that up. It's every time I am with the developers or the miners or some part of the Bitcoin ecosystem, my confidence in what is about to happen here increases. Well, roast beef at one of the first two of those brainstorms, sitting in Africa, was saying, this is transforming lives in Africa. It is going to redefine the division of labor. We think we understand the gig economy. Think micro-gig economy, and think global labor force and piecemealing out these tasks. So he says this is transforming people's lives in Africa. And so I think the payments part of this is critical.
Yes.
And I also think the second part, so division of labor and paying for those micro giga jobs is one example. And then there's the machine to machine. Basically, it's called agentic AI. I will basically direct an LLM to create a marketing program for me and my new company, including a website, a marketing program, articles, promotional materials, and so forth. And the agentic AI will do that from beginning to end when we finally get there. And we're getting there faster than I thought we were going to get there. So how does this happen? How do we pay all of the various entities involved? Lightning Network, Bitcoin, payments ecosystem. And I know a lot of people are just thinking, okay, what's the price of Bitcoin going to be? One of the reasons Bitcoin's price will continue to go up is because of the opportunities that Layer 2 Lightning Networks and the convergence with AI is going to create. It's going to be phenomenal.
The convergence between Bitcoin and artificial intelligence is set to usher in a new era of digital innovation, poised to revolutionize the financial aspects of the internet by adding a much-needed layer that was previously missing. As everything goes digital, our payment systems should follow suit. Cathie would estimates that blockchain will not only facilitate artificial intelligence but also fuel the growth and development of other disruptive platforms. This symbiotic evolution is expected to drive significantly higher prices for cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. Cathie's predictions highlight the transformative potential of integrating AI with blockchain technology, envisioning a future where these innovations drive substantial economic and social advancements. This integration will not only enhance the efficiency and security of financial transactions but also contribute to the broader digital ecosystem's growth. Please share your thoughts on Cathie Wood's predictions and insightful analysis in the comments section below. For more Daily Dose Crypto news, check out these 2 awesome videos on your screen. Click now and we will see you on the next video.